Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. So, to call voice assistant we need to use controls what located at the back side of each earbud. And we have SKULLCANDY logo, this one is controls. So, you need to press 3 times at your left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just wake up Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini or maybe Bixby if you have Samsung. We can also check the left one, 1, 2, 3, and it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!